Здравствуйте, друзья. Меня зовут Boris. My name is Boris Johnson.
It is a great pleasure to welcome you to discuss the pressing issues of today's world. Let's have a good time discussing.
Of course,
And honestly,
be honest.
Europe is currently facing a difficult phase,
Be careful what you're talking about.
but also bringing new opportunities to Europe and its partners.
Again, you've got to be careful what you're talking about. And I'll tell you what, if the EU were an animal, I'll tell you what it'd be a lobster.
We need trust among ourselves.
Okay, let me just give you my thoughts about that before you ask. I think one thing that is incredibly important: talk simply, use plain English.
But how?
Yesterday, we had a piece of cheese, and it was very good, and or something like that.
In times of crisis, always put national interests before those of the Union.
I congratulate, because what you're doing is sending out a very strong signal around the world. Have a great day.
Hopefully,